Create a simple 3D logo in a matter of minutes. Join me in this session. We're doing this logo. Welcome content creators and entrepreneurs to African Multi Design, a channel dedicated in giving you tips, tool reviews, as well as tutorials. My name is Zanele, and I'm so excited if you're joining us for the very first time. If you're a subscriber, welcome. You know we have these awesome creative sessions once a week where we come up with awesome ideas. So again, creativity is intelligence, having fun. Let's have fun. This week, our fun is creating a logo for Mets Yasemzansi. This is the logo we're going to be jumping in and doing now. Let's go to Canva and do this. So you would go to create a design and you're going to search for logo. In this instance, we're using lines and shapes. That's all. And we're going to use a blank Canva. Then we're going to go to elements and we're going to go to lines and shapes. Then we're going to look for this round shape. That's a free round shape, and you will size it and put it in the middle, that it's in the middle like that. Change color to black and you're good to go. Next, you press L for a line and you make your line 15 size. The weight would be 15. And then you would move the line to be on the vertical side. I hope I'm saying vertical correct. Me with my English. Nice. When that's done, you copy, you paste another one, you move it to the other side. Awesome. Paste another one. This other one you're going to make the M out of, because we are creating a Mets Yasemzansi logo here. Copy this one again, move it to the other side, connect, then paste another one that you make the Y out of, and you put it in the middle. Nice. And you change color of your Y to yellow. And you send these yellow lines to the back. I position back, position back, and this one position back as well. Cool. Now you're done. You go back to your elements, you look for C, and you scroll down until you find this nice simple C. Not that big one, this one. Click on it once, size it. Because this is a maths and science channel, we're going to go Einstein MC squared. And then you put in text, you put in 2, you change your text to Monstriat. And you change color to yellow. And you move that next to the C, and you make it a little bit big so that it displays. And then the last thing that you will do is add text for Mets Yasemzansi. And you move that to the bottom of the page, make that bold, increase it slightly, and change color to yellow, and change effect to curve. So you scroll to curve and you curve it the other way around so that it curves around our line of the and your 2D is done. Now what you do is you're going to download as transparent. If you don't have the paid version, you go to remove.bg and you download it like that, and then it's a transparent. Then you jump into Photopea, you go to open your computer on Photopea, and you go in, you find your PSD file. If you don't know the process of uploading a PSD file and then converting it into a 3D, find a link on one of my link above or description so that it guides you. But all you do is you open and you place, and you go find the download that you just did, and you add it there. You click and you drag so that it's in the middle of the page. You size it nicely like that. Then you change it to a smart object, and the lines are going to disappear after the tool has changed it to a smart object. Done. And then you click once on the 3D window logo, and boom, cool, quick, awesome looking logo. I hope you enjoyed this session. Please consider subscribing and let me know what else we can do for fun in this channel. I'll see you on the next.